Good morning, Lina. You woke up very early today.
Good morning, Dad. Yes, I woke up early.
Why are you so excited?
Dad, today we are going to the park, right?
Yes, we are going.
Really? I am so happy.
Morning walks are good for our health.
I like the park very much. It is fresh and quiet.
Then get ready fast.
Okay, Dad, I will wear my shoes.
Good girl. Wear your jacket too. It is a little cold.
Yes, I feel cold. I will wear it now.
Good. Let's go.
Okay!
Good. Let's go together.
Yay! Let's go to the park.
The air is very fresh this morning.
Yes, it feels nice and cool.
Listen, birds are singing.
I can hear them. So sweet.
We may see colorful birds today.
Wow, I am excited.
Come, walk slowly with me. The park is very quiet today.
Yes, Dad. I like this silence.
Look at the trees, so green.
Yes, they're beautiful. And the grass is wet.
Morning dew.
Dad, listen. Birds are singing.
Yes, so many birds.
That one is so small and cute.
It's a sparrow.
I love mornings like this.
Me too. Walking feels nice.
Dad, let's sit on that bench.
Okay, sit and relax.
Dad, wait.
What happened?
Did you hear something?
Hear what?
A small sound.
What kind of sound?
Like,
Maybe a bird.
No, not a bird. There, again!
I heard it too.
It sounds sad.
Yes, like crying.
Where is it coming from?
Maybe near that tree.
Or near the bench?
Let's check slowly.
I feel a little worried.
Don't worry, I'm with you.
Dad, it's coming from behind the bushes. Something is there.
Yes, I see something small moving.
What is it? It's very small.
Yes, wait.
Dad, is that?
Oh. It's a puppy. Yes, a tiny puppy.
So small.
Poor thing.
It's sitting alone and shaking too. Dad, it's crying.
Maybe it's scared.
Or hungry.
Maybe both.
Where is its mother? I don't see any dog nearby. Is it lost?
Looks like it.
Dad, my heart feels sad.
Mine too.
We won't hurt you. Dad, it's still crying.
Maybe it needs help.
We can't leave it here.
No, we can't.
Dad, what should we do?
First, let's calm it down.
Okay, come baby, come. Dad, its tail moved.
That means it trusts you.
Good boy. We are your friends.
Yes, you are safe with us.
Dad, it looks very thirsty.
Yes, its mouth is dry.
I have water in my bottle.
Good. Give it some.
Okay, wait, baby.
Sit down near it.
Don't be scared. I am your friend. Here, drink slowly. Dad, it's drinking fast.
That means it was very thirsty.
Poor little puppy.
Maybe it didn't get water since morning.
Drink more slowly. It finished everything.
Give a little more.
Dad, look at its eyes.
Yes, it looks calmer now.
I think it feels better.
Water helps a lot.
Good boy, good puppy. Dad, its tail is moving again.
That means it likes you.
I feel happy.
You helped it. That's why.
Dad, we can't leave it here alone.
Yes,
Can we take it home?
let's think.
Please, Dad. just for today.
Okay, first we check around.
And if no owner, we take it home?
Yes.
Thank you, Dad.
Come, little one, stay near us.
Uncle,
Yes, little girl?
is this your puppy?
No, not mine.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Auntie, excuse me.
Yes, beta?
Is this your puppy?
No, dear. I don't have a dog.
Brother, is this your puppy?
No, I've never seen it.
Nobody knows him.
Don't feel sad. We are here.
Should we wait for some time?
Yes. Let's sit on that bench.
It's following me everywhere.
It feels safe with you.
Dad, what if its family is worried?
We asked many people. No one said yes.
The park is getting empty now.
We can't leave it alone here.
Then what do we do?
We take it home for now.
Really?
Yes. We will keep it safe.
And we will find its owner later?
Yes. We will make a poster.
With its photo?
Yes. And our phone number.
That's smart! Don't worry, you are not alone anymore.
Let's go home, Lina.
Yes, Dad. Let's take our new friend home. Come in, little puppy.
Put it down gently.
Yes, it looks very tired. First, give it some rest. Sit here, puppy. This is soft.
Now bring some milk.
Okay, Dad.
Keep it near the puppy.
Here. Drink slowly. Dad, it's drinking so fast.
It must be very hungry.
Don't worry, you are safe here.
That means it's happy. Lina, we must find its family.
Yes, someone must be searching.
Let's make a poster.
Good idea.
Write, found puppy.
Writing.
Add our phone number.
Done.
We will put posters near the park.
So the owner can see it.
Yes,
Until then, it's our little guest.
our sweet guest. Lina, are the posters ready?
Yes, Dad, I made 5 copies.
Very good.
The puppy photo looks cute.
Anyone will notice it. Near the park gate first.
Okay, many people walk here.
Straight, not slanting.
Like this?
Perfect.
1 poster done! Auntie, can we stick this here?
Yes, sure. What happened?
We found a lost puppy.
Oh, the poor thing. Of course you can put it up.
Now what do we do?
Now we wait.
I feel excited and nervous.
Me too.
What if no one calls?
Then we will take care of the puppy.
I hope tomorrow brings good news.
Lina, keep the phone near you.
Yes, Dad.
I put it on the table.
Dad! Phone is ringing.
Pick it up fast.
Hello?
Hello, is this the number on the poster?
Yes.
Did you find a small brown puppy?
Yes, we found one.
Really?
Yes, he is small and very cute.
Does he have white spots on his legs?
Yes, he has.
That's my puppy!
Your puppy?
Yes, his name is Tommy.
Tommy?
I was searching since morning. I was crying.
Oh, don't cry. He is safe with us.
Really? Is he okay?
Yes. We gave him water and food.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Where do you live?
Near Green Park, Blue House. Can you come to our house now?
Yes, I will come with my mom.
Okay, we will wait.
Please don't go anywhere.
Don't worry. Tommy is safe.
Thank you, sister.
Come soon.
What did he say?
Dad, it's his puppy.
Really?
Yes, his name is Tommy.
The owner found him.
Dad, I feel sad.
That's normal, Lina.
But Tommy will go away.
Yes, but he will go to his real home.
Dad, let's make him comfortable till they come.
Yes, let's take care of him.
Tommy, your family is coming.
Lina, someone is at the gate.
Really? Maybe they came.
I think so.
My heart is beating fast.
Go open the door.
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, son. You called about the puppy?
Yes. Are you Tommy's owner?
Yes, he is my puppy.
Where is he? Tommy!
I missed you, Tommy. Don't lick my face. They love each other a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We just helped him a little.
I searched everywhere. Park, streets, shops.
Don't worry, he is safe now.
I was crying all day.
Really?
Yes, Tommy is my best friend.
Oh.
Did he trouble you?
No, he was very sweet.
She gave him water and biscuits.
Thank you, sister. He slept near me.
He likes you. Tommy, time to go home.
Dad, my eyes feel watery.
It's okay, Lina.
Can I take him now?
Of course, he is yours.
Bye, Tommy.
Thank you for saving him. I will never forget you.
Take care of him.
I will.
Bye, Tommy.
Dad,
Yes, Lina?
Tommy went away.
Yes.
The house feels empty now.
You already miss him?
A little.
Only a little?
Okay, a lot.
Why are your eyes red?
I'm not crying.
Really?
Maybe just a little.
It's okay to cry.
I liked him, Dad.
I know. You cared for him like a friend.
When he slept near me, I felt happy.
And today you helped him find his family.
Will we ever have a puppy?
Maybe...
Maybe?
What if we bring home a new puppy for you?
Really?
Yes, a small one, only yours.
Dad, are you serious?
Yes, but you must take care of it.
I will. I will feed it.
Then this weekend, we'll adopt one. Careful! Don't jump on me!
I'm so happy. Thank you for everything.
Always, my kind girl.
I can't wait to meet my new puppy.
Me too.